Alright guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money on Amazon if you are in Jamaica. So this video is for my Jamaican friend. So we don't have any bank account in Jamaica, or you don't want to receive your money through the Amazon gift card. So you may want to use the system that I want to show you right here. So the Payoneer account is what you are going to be using. So you want to register your account and sign up and register your account. So if you don't know how to do that, I've made a video. So you may want to check my video in the link in the description down below. So when you sign up, then you come here and sign up to your account there. So when you sign into the Payoneer, to your Payoneer account, when you register and sign into your Payoneer account, you are going to get something like this. So here is the dashboard, how the dashboard look like. And by the way, I'm using the app here, so they all my different from mine. Right? So if you want to receive your money through the Payoneer account, you want to first add your bank details to your Amazon account. So here is where your bank details are. So you want to click bank and cards here. You want to go to receiving accounts here. So these are banks that you can use. You can leverage all these banks here to withdraw your money from Amazon if you have any Amazon commission that you want to withdraw from there. So they have banks. They have bank in Europe zone. They have bank in UK, in Singapore, US, and so on and so forth. So for example, let's say I want to use this bank here. So the US bank here. To get your bank details, you want to click view details here at the bottom. So when you click view details, it's going to show you your bank details. Okay, all your bank details are going to show up. So you are going to copy all your bank details and go over to your Amazon account. So let me show you. Let's go over to my Amazon account then. So here you want to go up here, payment account settings. So you want to go to account settings and click account settings. So now if you already register, it's gonna tell you to change your payment method right there. So as I've already registered my account, I've already added my bank account. So it's not telling me if I want to change my payment method. If not, it's going to tell you to add your payment method. Okay, so let's say I want to change my payment method. So I'm just going to click here. So as you can see right now, so these are my shops, my Amazon shops. So I have shops in Canada, France, Germany, Italy, Spain, United Kingdom, and United States. So I'm using this bank for them. So now let's say I want to change the bank. Okay, I can just click bank. Okay. Then if you want to add new bank account, I can add new bank account. Let's say I want to edit this one here. I'll just click here. Then these are all my details here. So these details, you are going to get all details from your, so you are going to get all the details from here. All those details are situated on the view details here. So when you click these details here, so it's going to show you everything right there. So you are going to copy it and come here and paste it one by one. Your name, your account number, your bank name, check type, US dollar, bank currency, and routing number. So when you finish, you hit save, then you are ready to go. Now every month Amazon is going to pay your money direct to your bank account And when Amazon pays your money, Payoneer is going to inform you that Amazon has paid you your money. Okay, so you can just go there, go to your Payoneer account and withdraw your money from there. So that's how you add Amazon, how you can withdraw your money from Amazon if you are in Jamaica, like me here. So this video is for my Jamaican friend. If you have anything, any question about this video, you want to ask me about this video, let me know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.